All right, so now our campaign is created, but the ad is still being reviewed, so it's not going to run immediately. So now the next thing we're going to do is set up conversion tracking. That way Google can actually measure leads properly. So if I scroll down here, you're going to see the option to install a Google tag either with WordPress or manually. We're going to click on Install Manually. And then you're going to find your Google tag here. What we need to do is click on the copy button here, and we need to paste it into the head section of our website. So that way it's able to load site-wide. So with this copied, I'm going to go to my WordPress dashboard. Now, if you built your website with something other than WordPress, this process is going to be slightly different. But if you are using WordPress, this is how I'd recommend that you do it. Look for a plugin called WPCode. It's going to look like this right here. And then install and activate this. After you do that, you're going to see code snippets here on the left-hand side. Highlight over this and click into header and footer. Go ahead and find the head section here, and then just paste in that tag. Once you do that, go to the top right, click on Save Changes. And now the Google tag is installed site-wide. Now I'm going to go back over to Google Ads. Then I'm going to scroll down and click on Test Installation. So in my case, since I'm using a test domain and a test website, this isn't actually going to connect properly to my website. But in your case, this should be successful. If you are running into issues with your Google tag installation, first, make sure that your domain is configured properly. And second, make sure you clear the cache after making changes to the head section of your website. And also, it may just take a few minutes for everything to sync up properly. So for me, I'm going to click on Email Instructions. So I'll be able to come back to this a little bit later on.